only a shanty in old shanty town. The roof is so slanty it touches the ground. But my tumble-down shack by an old railroad track, it's like a millionaire's mansion, keeps calling me back. I'd give up a palace if I were a king. It's more than a palace, it's my everything. There's a queen waiting there with a silvery crown.
I'm on the move again. And it is really cold out here. I'm about to get on the Amtrak train. It's 8 o'clock and I am alone, completely alone, out in the middle of nowhere in this little town called Stanley, in an abandoned train station that's been halfway boarded up. And it's kind of freaking me out because it's like at night, at winter time, 8 o'clock at night. Yeah, well, hopefully the train isn't too delayed. Yeah, so this is the train station. A little old, abandoned train station that's all boarded up on the back side. It's like just kind of dark and creepy. It was nice visiting with my friends, and I spent the weekend with my friends Curtis and Annie and their son Kenley. It'll be nice to get home to Alice and my little baby birds. Well, the Amtrak is nice and warm. The holidays always bring a kind of quiet magic. It's in the frost on the windows, the snow-covered trees, and the warmth of a simple journey. There's something about this season that pulls us closer, reminds us to pause and to appreciate. Did you just get a god pack in Pokemon? Yeah, you did.
Yeah, I did. Might need it again. Merry Christmas! Woo!
The holidays and visiting with friends and family is about the presents. Oh my gosh. How have you guys been? It has been a little bit since I put on a vlog, and I was actually missing doing the vlogs. I just got kind of overwhelmed over the last few weeks with all the brand deals coming in, all the different companies that were wanting me to help promote their products, and I kind of lost my way when it came to vlogging, and I was under a lot of pressure with timelines and things like that, and I just kind of like decided to take a break. So I took a break from all of it. Okay guys, I am going to do an unboxing of a product that was sent to me by today's sponsor, myluminette Therapy Light Glasses. So the company myluminette, which is a French company, reached out to me because I do videos that promote a healthy lifestyle, better mental health, better spirituality. And my main job is helping people with their problems in life. And one of their problems is seasonal affective disorder, which we call SAD, anxiety, depression. I have to tell you, when I finally took a look at their website to consider their offer to collaborate with me and to partner with them on an affiliate program, I was amazed. They put so much work into this product, so much research. So you guys, they also make a product that can go in your car. So you put it where you're driving. I think it's above the windshield, so that you can get the light coming in. So here we have the glasses. And you can see the little charging port right here. I am psyched about these, you guys, because if I didn't think this was going to be a fantastic product for people that are suffering with anxiety, seasonal affective disorder, depression, low energy, and things like that, I wouldn't be recommending it. I wouldn't have decided to take this on as an actual affiliate partnership and things like that. So, okay, I have the glasses charging up over here right now. So this is going to be my first time trying it out. There's a button that turns it on. Okay. You can see the lights. Okay, so it just sits on your nose above your eyes like that. This is cool. And then you can also wear your regular glasses and put these on over top. And I'm seeing here that they have an adjustment for the nose piece. Okay. All right, so here we have the therapy light glasses over top of my regular glasses. I like it. And you wear them in the morning or at the time of day when you feel like it's going to be the most beneficial to you. So for example, 60 minutes or 30 minutes or 20 minutes in the morning before you head off to work. And like I said before, they have these for cars. Yeah, and I can tell you it's not hurting my eyes. It's not going directly in my eyes. It's almost like, you know, when you're walking outside and the sunlight's up there, but you're not looking directly into the sunlight, but you can look around and it looks beautiful. That's what it looks like. And I almost see like a little bit of a rainbow above my eyelids, which is pretty actually. If you want to get a 15% off discount, I am in a partnership with myluminette, and so you can use this code right here. And you can check the description below for a direct link. And again, my code is in the description below. So.
There's something grounding about baking. It's a reminder of tradition, of slowing down. Today I'm using Einkorn flour. It's one of the oldest grains untouched by modern hybridization. It's easier on the digestion, full of nutrients, and has a light, nutty flavor, and it feels so wholesome. I try to use ingredients as natural and unprocessed as possible. Raw honey instead of sugar, real butter, sea salt. It's not just better for the body, it's better for the soul. Every bite feels like a connection to something ancient, something pure.
Where most of the fossils have been found.
I wonder if that that's on the way to the rock castle. Remember I wanted to take you to the rock castle?
Right next to it is Devil's Lake.
Oh, okay. I've been there a lot of times.
Really?
Been out to
Yeah, Devil's Lake is right there.
There's a kind of joy in knowing exactly what went into your food. Einkorn flour, raw coconut palm sugar, real butter, simple ingredients working together to create something nourishing and good. It's a reminder that the best things in life are often the simplest. Baking isn't just about food. It's about slowing down, being present, and creating something with care in a world that moves so fast. It's a small act of kindness for myself and for those that I share it with. I would be happy to share this recipe with all of you. Just take a look at the description below and I will have it posted there.
Wow. Almost bigger than the plate. Okay. I'm gonna go give this cookie to Alice. These are actually humongous, so if you want to make them smaller, feel free. I mean, but they are so good, you guys. Anyway, thank you for coming today, guys. I love it when you join me here. So if it's your first time, hit the subscribe button. Hit the like button for me. It helps for my videos to be seen. And leave me a comment because it always puts a smile on my face when someone leaves me a comment. Have a beautiful weekend, you guys, and hopefully I'll talk to you next week. Bye.